am Aditya from Patna, Bihar. Right now, I am living in Hyderabad last 6-7 months, and I have completed my Bachelor of Computer Application in 2023. Right now, I am pursuing MCA, but still it is not completed. And if you talk about my skills, then in front end I am very good in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also in Angular. And back end I am very good in C Sharp and C language and SQL. And my hobbies are like singing and sketching. But basically in .NET code is compiled twice. In first compilation, the source code is converted into their language compiler and converted into intermediate code. Yes, sir, I can explain. I can comment that point. So then converted into intermediate code, which is also known as common MSI, which Microsoft Intermediate Language, and the second part it is converted into MSI, converted into native code by using CLR. CLR means Common Language Runtime, and it is responsible. It has some parts like CLS, CTS, GC, and GT. And the CLS Common Language Specification. Every programming language has its own specification to understand the programming language. One programming language cannot understand every programming language, but the CLR can understand every programming language because of CLR has its own specification. And CLS having two types, like managed code and managed code. Managed code for which comes under the MSL and directly executed by the CLR, then it's known as managed code. And on the other side, unmanaged code for which directly not executed by the MSL and also not executed by CLR, then it's called unmanaged code. And CTS, Common Type System. Every programming language has its own specification and common type system, and every programming language cannot understand a common type system, but by using CLR can understand every common type system because of CLR has its own common type system. And the other thing, like garbage collector. Garbage collector is responsible for the automatic memory management. Automatic memory management it's called Omen engine, called optimization engine. It's idle objects in use and idle objects. And the fourth part is like JIT compiler. JIT compiler is responsible for to compile the code and convert it into native code by using CLR.
The thing is, it's fine. That answer I already got. But the thing is, when I ask unmanaged code, you have to interact CLR only.
Okay, so
please don't flow from beginning. Okay.
Okay, so
tell me different operators you have.
Different operators in different, like arithmetic operators, bitwise operators, logical operators.
Okay.
Like this.
Like this, you have to continue now.
Yes, sir. 3 operators I remember right now, sir.
Can you get the output statements? I equal to 0.
Yes, sir. And 1 minus pre-increment.
That's a pre-decrement.
Yes, sir. Pre-decrement, sir.
That is a minus minus.
Yes, sir. Pre-decrement. Both are connected, sir.
All are connected.
Okay.
Difference between a continue and go to?
Continue and go to. Sir, I can explain.
No, just tell me.
Sir, if I like for loop, I is equals to 0 and less than equals to 10 and I plus plus, then continue. If I is equals to 5 and then we are using continue, then it's 5 is break and all the statements are printed, like 1 to 4 and 6 to 10 are printed. And break means go to. If I is equals to 5 and then here we are using the go to statement, then it's converted into again from the for loop. Convert into 2 into and console.readline like this.
That is
in
that
we are using the
I'm asking convert that to string also we have. You are talking about integer, I am talking about strings.
Okay, sir. So then one is using in boxing type and the other is using unboxing.
What is unboxing?
Unboxing. Sir, it is converting of reference type to value type.
Converting?
The reference type to value type.
Not a value type to reference type to value type.
Sir, boxing converting to value type.
Unboxing.
A reference type to value type, like a string s is equals to then is stored to a string.
What is encapsulation?
Encapsulation means adding or batting of data members within a class, and it's known as encapsulation.
No, you already got this interview, right?
Yes. Like this, so variables and method inside the class. Like public class employee, then validity.
Where do you store this OBJ?
Where you show the OBJ?
A is a class. I created object equal to new something. A or brackets, right?
Okay, sir.
So this OBJ, where it will store?
Sir, where it is, sir, stack.
Sure. This one?
Yes, sir. So both are stored in the same.
Okay. So what is polymorphism?
Morphing means behavior. If you change the input, then the output will be also change. Polymorphism can be implemented in three ways, like method overloading, overloading, overriding, and method shadowing and hiding. But in some polymorphism is two times, like method overloading and method overriding. Overriding same method name and same parameter is also known as overriding, and method and overloading same method name but different parameters is known as overloading. And in overriding we are using the in base class we are using virtual keyword, and the derived class we are using the override keyword.
What if I remove override keyword?
Yes, sir.
If I remove override keyword, what will happen?
Then it is not working, sir.
It's error.
Yes, sir.
What is multiple inheritance?
Multiple inheritance which we can getting accessing our properties from more than one base class to single derived class, then it's called multiple inheritance. And OOPS does not support multiple inheritance.
Right.
That's sir, because of two base class can inherit from the single derived class, that's why it is not supporting, sir, in through class. But to overcome this problem, we are introducing interface. By using interface we can implement all the multiple inheritance.
Can I create object for abstract class?
No, sir, there is no need of in abstract class, sir.
But we can create object for interface.
No, sir, also not, because of
Yes, sir,
interface.
yes, sir.
No, sir. In interface store only the abstract members.
What about partial class?
Partial class, if hug amounts of logics are converted into a small parts.
No. Can I create object for partial class?
Can object create for partial class? Yes, sir.
For delegate?
Delegates, I have no idea what delegates are.
Enums?
Enums, in enums we can store the.
No, I'm asking about object creation. Can I create object for enums?
No, sir.
No, you don't know.
No, sir, no.
Can I create object for struct?
Structure. Yes, sir.
Can I create object for sealed class?
Sealed class, yes, sir.
Can I create object for private class?
Private class? No, sir.
How to achieve pure abstraction?
क्या, sir?
How to achieve pure abstraction?
Pure abstraction? No, sir, I have no idea.
Explain arrays.
In array we can store the same type of data types, like or homogeneous type of data. So there are three types of by using array indexes start from 0 and it up n-1, and there are three types of array, like single dimensional, multi-dimensional array, and jagged array.
I have a default constructor, static constructor, parameterized constructor. Which one loads first?
Which one load first? So default.
Okay. So can you pick the second highest value from this array?
Yes, sir. Sir, give me paper. By using predefined or?
No. You know any string functions?
a string and a string builder, I know, sir. String functions.
No, I'm not asking about string builder, string functions.
No, sir, no, I don't know.